Abanyamakuru nibajyangwa abantu abarikubaremesa kukora emirimo yaabo n'abandi bakabima amakuru nibafereza ekyanga kyabo.
Sometimes you do it intentionally to not to unveil yourselves because I may give an example right now as you hear that very soon Honorable Baram is going to come in the district. Me, I'm telling you, many technocrats at Rukoki there, they don't want to speak to media.
Mulkiamuka tuika kuendia errors. Twabishubia na tuemerenge yenyu. Kumbe abantu banakurumbira umwe n'umuruki matu barandeke. Sometimes we get calls. Wow, we are errors.
Bagambireeba babembabwa n'omunyeshengerokazi wa Kasese district Sara Ithungu Masereka.
Okwabo abade mwenda omwa threats. Please always utilize the police. The DPC should be your friend. The RPC should be your friend. The OC should be your friend. And I know they are your friends.
Abanyamakuru aba nibajuna n'abarikora mu offices zitari zimwe na zimwe omu district abwo kwanga kukwatanisa nabo okusya abantu amakuru agabashemerire.
You find that we get threats. When you do a story that is really touching, you start getting people threatening you. So in a way, one or the other, you find that we start fearing.
Itwe abakaba information tukabisayo nikwenene. It is true sometimes ukale omunange nalekane ekintu kinamabikikanya kutikaya ni humba nerina avoiding a media intentionally. It is true. So how do we help each other?
Amakuru agashoka Gilbert Muhanguzi.